Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. So in today's lecture, we will see the question papers of behavioral science. Again, I'm repeating, do check your course code and then look into the paper. And guys, if you find these videos useful, then do like, share and subscribe. So I have shared all the behavioral science question papers. Now in this video I'll be telling you guys how to attempt the paper and will give you some tips. Because this subject is a scoring subject, you guys can get a full 10 pointer in this subject. You guys are not supposed to study for this subject say a week before. Just a day before you guys are supposed to study. For this paper your English should be good. And along with your English, your thinking skills, your thinking power should also be good, because this question paper has a lot to think and then write. In this paper, basically, you are supposed to imagine yourself in a particular situation or give some real life examples, right? So you should have that knowledge, and even if you don't have some real life example, you can just create one and mention. They give you diagrams like these and you have to look into these diagrams and explain what does this show. In the question paper there are 3 sections, as we all know, A, B and C. Now how much to write in each question, right? That is the major thing. For section A, at least write 2 pages. And how to write those 2 pages? Write in points. After every point leave a line, and each point should be of maximum 2 lines, not more than 2 lines, right? So in one page you guys can cover 8 points. And first of all, again, if you have not seen my earlier video in which I showed you how to solve the question paper, I'll share the link below and just have a look at it. First mention the question number, write the question heading in bold letters and then start with your points. So it will cover only 5 to 6 points in one page, and in the next other page write more 3 or 4 points, and that's it for a 6 marker. And then for section B, write at least 3 pages. Even if they don't ask for any example, you on your own state some examples to explain them. And for section C, that is always an imaginary situation or a situation in which there are 2 parts. You have to write a good answer. Do not write stories in stories. Try to make it in paragraphs. One paragraph can be of like 4 to 5 lines. Put it into 4-5 paragraphs and then explain it. Behavioral science and English are such papers in which you guys can get a good pointer, right? Above 8, try to get above 8 pointer, right? Do not feel lazy while writing, because these 2 questions papers are like in which you guys can score easily, and this helps to like get a good CGPA and SGPA. From the very beginning of the paper, keep a maintained speed. Do not like waste so much of time in section A so that you lag in section C. Maintain a good speed and then attempt the question paper. And also in this subject, do not think that any question is out of the syllabus and all, because this is nothing related to syllabus. This is just related to you, how you feel. Very basic things are there, you should know it. Like this, in this section C, which you can see, there's a paragraph in which you are supposed to study. Like in English we used to do comprehensions, the same way you're supposed to study the paragraph and then write the answer. Like see the question, so easy it is. Write the major reason of conflict. Like conflict, you should be knowing the meaning as well in this behavioral science question papers, right? So you can just read through the questions, you can just read through the paragraph, and then in your own words you can frame that what could have been the reasons for conflict. Guys, these question paper help a lot. Trust me, before going into the exam, just have a look at them, and then when you attempt your question paper, you will feel that you knew almost the questions, because they have almost the same pattern. And guys, if you find these videos useful, then please like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you guys do not miss any update. And also for the latest update, you can follow my Insta page. I'll be sharing the link above. And if you guys have any doubts or queries regarding Amity question papers or anything related to biotechnology, you can just drop a comment in the comment section and let me know. I'll reply to you as soon. Go through the video. I've made a video on it. Also in open book examination, you guys get a lot of material, but you are supposed to write just the important things. So do keep in mind what all things are supposed to be written. Do not write in excess. Try to give space in every answer. And guys, in this paper, do not copy from internet, because the plague will be there, a plague software which will detect the percentage of plague. I hope this video helps you out, and if you like it, then again I'm saying guys, do like, share and subscribe. So guys, this was all about the behavioral science question papers. I hope you will find them useful, and do press the like, share and subscribe button. So now, as the last picture tells, have a positive attitude. So guys, all the best. and do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.